As well as the standard fair use policy, these videos are protected under the Treaty of Peace and Friendship 1787.
Moors are awake. We are taking our place on this planet.
The person that just joined the call phone is Z855. What's your name, please? Person just joined the call, Z855. What's your name, please?
I'm here by way of Moorish Temple of America, Davis Bay.
And the person that just joined the call, Z855, can you state your nationality for the record, on the record?
What time was your case scheduled for?
I just got switched. I was in Miss Alicia Coleman's room. They just told me for the last half hour I was in the wrong room, and they just instructed to help me find the correct room where I was supposed to be in.
How interesting. A Moorish sovereign citizen who can't find the correct room.
Your name is what again?
I'm here by way of Moorish Temple of America, making a special appearance. I am Davis Bay.
David Bay?
Davis Bay. I'm here representing the account here.
Can I get your case number? I'm sorry. Can I please,
yes.
You have your case number, sir?
Yes. It is 2034-7344.
Thank you.
And I was just received this 3 days ago, but the document said it was stated September 28th.
Okay, thank you, sir.
To me. Pardon me?
I said okay, thank you, sir. Your Honor.
Yes.
That was one of Mr. Abbott's case. 344.
At what time?
It was at 9:40.
And
So,
Your Honor,
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Miss. Was that Miss Brayley?
yes, yeah.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
With Mr. Abbott, were you trying to get him back here on Traxler?
And now I have another one. The gentleman was in the wrong courtroom, and they just sent him in here.
Right. I was there for.
Sorry,
sir, I just explained it to her. So, but yes, I do need some information on Traxler, and now I need information on.
Okay, so apparently I'm Mr. Abbott's secretary this morning. Traxler, he said he submitted something already. Commercial consent already submitted to the court.
Okay, we'll look for it, but would you? No, you're helping me out, right? Call him back and tell him a defendant has shown up in, what case is it, Miss Denise?
The name on the file is Harry Davis, but he said his name is Davis Bay. But it's
what is the case number?
The last three is 344.
344?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And it was set
Okay.
what time?
It was scheduled at 9:40.
40.
And would you tell Mr. Abbott?
He's back. Mr. Abbott's back.
Okay.
Mr. Abbott, thank you for the case of Mr. Traxler. But we have a gentleman who was in the wrong courtroom and just got sent over to us. I think we adjourned it, but let's see what we might be able to do today. Can you give us the case number again, Denise, so I can have Renee pull it up?
It's yes, ma'am, I sure can.
Thank you.
20-347-344.
Thank you for coming back, Mr. Abbott. Don't leave. 20347-344 Leland House versus Harry Davis.
Good morning,
Your
Judge.
appearance-
Good morning, Judge Millender. My name is James Abbott. I'm a lawyer, P26085. I represent Harry Davis's landlord, who's Leland House Apartments.
We had adjourned this case to November 30th for door knockers, and now we have the defendant here. Sir, your name?
Yes, I'm here by making a special appearance by way of Moorish Americans of America, Davis Bay, for the representing the account here from your United States of America Department of State, Harry Davis.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? You are not here making a special appearance. You are the defendant, David Harris. Now, just because you put a Bay at the end of your name to confuse the court doesn't mean you're not the person that's supposed to be here, that's possibly about to get evicted. It is you. There is no special appearance here, buddy. You are the defendant.
Mr. Davis, you're in the
And I
problem
was
back.
just presenting, yes, I was just presented these documents. It says dates of September 28th, and
Yeah, that's the
I
date
just
that were
received
mailed
them.
out. Let me ask you, sir, we had,
No, I just received them. I don't receive any mailing here, and I
you
just
don't-
received them
excuse me, sir,
3 days ago.
You don't receive mailing at the Bagley address?
No,
You're not living in the Bagley address?
I didn't even know mail was there for me anything. 2 or 3 days ago, it was taken to the door.
Let me ask a couple of questions, sir. Do you live at 400 Bagley, 1120? Apartment.
11:20, yes,
So you do live at Bagley?
yes.
Okay.
So if you do live at Bagley Avenue, why are you telling the court that you don't receive mail there? Another trick that will not work.
Are you interested in having one of our free attorneys help you through this?
No,
Okay. Well, and what is it you're asking? You want to stay in the apartment, or you want to move, or what?
yes, I want to stay.
Okay.
I have proof of my tender of payment for rent that was sent by way of certified mail from the United States Post Office.
And when did that go?
The first proof of payment was July 16th. The second was the 13th of September. The one for July 15th, July 16th, it was for the month of June, July, and August.
Well, sir,
After that,
I know,
and that one was in the amount of $18.75, including
Carol,
parking.
listen, Abbott.
And one from
Hey, we
the
got
next one from
Harry Davis on the line here. Okay, I'm gonna put you on.
from September.
Mr. Abbott, I can't hear him.
hold on. Let me ask this, Mr. Bay. I know you said you're not interested in one of our attorneys, but we have some programs that would help you pay your rent and even pay your rent, your back rent, but pay your rent, say November and maybe even December. It's called the Eviction Diversion Program.
Okay, how would that work and dissolve my proof of payment and everything that has already occurred?
Mr. Abbott will send
Can you hear
the
me?
attorney, hold on, sir. Mr. Abbott, the plaintiff's attorney, would send the attorney assigned to you proof of what's been paid, what they've received. You'll then send your proof of what you paid, and then what's left, we can maybe have the eviction diversion program make some payments for you.
Dude, the mere fact that you're inquiring how this government assistance works proves that you and your Moorish science and all of your people are a bunch of hypocrites. You don't respect the laws. You claim to be sovereigns, yet you're willing to accept government assistance to pay your rent. How does that work when you're a sovereign? This literally makes no sense. You hypocrite.
No, thank you, please.
You don't want the state of Michigan to make some payments for you?
No. I've been making my own payments. Yes, I've been making my own payments, and the proof of payments that I have, the second one after the first one that I mentioned, was made on the 13th of September.
And that was for which month?
That was for the 13th of September, in the amount of $575 without the parking, because it was already included for the first one. After that, pardon me?
What month did that cover?
Excuse me, can I say something?
That month was that month was September 13th. It was for the month of September. Okay. $575, not including the parking, because the parking was taken care of the month prior.
And then the next payment you paid?
And the next one, yes, the next one, I have proof of payment. I have tender payment for October 13th.
Cheryl, you'll get a chance, okay?
Notarized and sent by, notified and sent by certified mail, from United States Post Office for the month of October, in amount of $575, and also including parking.
Okay, hold on a second. Mr. Abbott.
Your Honor?
Did your client receive these payments?
Cheryl?
No, what he's doing is he's sending us promissory notes that that we have no idea what to do with. The bank says they're not negotiable, and this is what he's been giving us.
Wow. This Moorish sovereign citizen has been sending promissory notes every month saying that is supposed to be payment for his rent, and then in the same token turned down the government assistance that would have paid his rent and helped him stay in the apartment. This is a clear indication that Moorish science ruins lives. Excuse me, sir, all you have to do is put down the fez, cancel your Moorish science contract, and accept the government assistance and remain in your apartment. All of that promissory note crap is utter nonsense. This is like the Twilight Zone. This man is a clear buffoon.
Is promissory notes notarized?
I see.
Promissory notes, and the parking lot is not the one.
I understand. Mr. Bay, hold on, I got you. Mr. Bay, I understand what you're sending is promissory notes, and unfortunately, in landlord-tenant matters, those are not payments of rent. It's just a promissory note, and we cannot accept that. And the client,
are you telling me that even a court does not accept promissory notes for payment?
No,
and
we're
I'm
not.
the executor. I'm the executor.
That is not a legal payment for rent to this client. Now, are you sure then you don't want to talk to one of our attorneys and get your rent paid by a state of Michigan program?
If it will resolve this, would it resolve this?
Well, it depends on how much you owe and how much the plan is willing to pay of yours.
Well, I've made tender of payments. They are negotiable instruments, certified by law.
Those are not payments.
And I am the, and excuse me, please, I am the executor and the beneficiary of the account for Harry Davis. They are legal tender.
No,
they are
they're not,
legal
sir.
tender.
They're not acceptable.
And they're stated and they're notified to the fact also.
The Moorish science is strong in this one. It's time for eviction, buddy.
I'm sorry, they're not. Ms. Brady, is Mr. Fadife working with us today?
It is very true.
Is Mr. Fadife in another courtroom?
Mr. Who?
What's his name?
Fadife.
I didn't hear you, man.
I am not sure who you're talking about. Can you chat me the name so I can see it?
Oh, sorry about that.
Mr. Abbott, can you chat her the name? Maybe he's with Lakeshore, right?
Given that I have no idea who you're talking about, I suspect he's with Lakeshore.
What's the name again, Yana? What'd you say?
Fadife. The last name is Fadife.
Oh, I know who you're talking about. I'm not sure if he's with. No, I know exactly who you're talking about, but I don't know if he's with. I know exactly.
I think he'd be a great attorney to handle this case. That's all.
Well, by all means, Your Honor. I don't know if Mr. Cooper would know.
I don't have his number handy. I know who he is, obviously, but I don't have his number handy.
Excuse me, Judge, but you're wasting your breath. This Moorish sovereign citizen will not accept the help of an attorney. The Moorish science is strong in this one.
Miss Cooper.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Does Mr. Fadife work with you guys?
The name does not sound familiar, but I'm fairly new with the organization. Let me see if I can find out for you.
Because if he could come help us today, that would be great.
Okay, hold on, please. I'll see if I can find out.
And if somebody could chat how to spell it, I can look up to see as well.
Fadife? I don't know. Attorney Jay, do you know Attorney Fadife?
I think yeah, he is from Lakeshore. I can message him now.
Would you please?
Yes, ma'am.
And tell him I really could use his help. He might not like me afterwards, but.
Let me see. Does he have a case right now?
No, he doesn't, but I'd sure like to assign him one.
Okay. I'm messaging him now.
He may not like me afterwards, but such is life. Ms. Cooper's trying to find him also.
It says he's away from his desk, so let's see. Yeah, it says he's away from his desk. I messaged him, but no response yet.
Mr. Bay, we're going to hold on a minute and see if we can get this attorney to help you out, okay? He wasn't scheduled with me today, but he'd be great to work with you. Mr. Abbott, hang on there, okay?
To work with, did you say to work with me?
To be your attorney.
No, I'm not asking for counsel.
But as I said, if you want the state to pay your rent, you have to have one of our attorneys work with you.
Would it resolve and accept the tender payments that are certified negotiable instruments? Excuse me.
The state would pay
That
a
are
portion.
certified. That are certified negotiable instruments that I pay, that are certified.
I'm trying to tell you,
Well, your United States.
landlord tenant court in the state of Michigan and the city of Detroit does not accept that as payment for rent.
Okay.
I was
By June 5th, 1933. I want to ask you. Is the United States still in bankruptcy? In Michigan also?
Excuse me, sir, but how is that stupid question supposed to help resolve your issue? What is wrong with these Moorish sovereign citizens? These people are loco.
Objection.
Yes, we are.
Irrelevant.
By law.
Mr.
Yes, we are.
Bay,
By law.
let me try to tell you this again. I know at one point in time, folks would accept those things. However, we no longer accept them. The state of Michigan and the city of Detroit will no longer accept that. I'm trying to help you out by getting a portion of your rent paid through our EDP program, but you don't seem to be interested in having it. So why don't
Okay.
you just address
I didn't
it?
have time to prepare myself for anything for this.
No shit.
It was just presented to me, but the dates on these documents say 28th and the last one for it says the 28th of September, and I just received it 3 days
Very
ago.
good. That's why I'm going to keep the adjournment date.
Is that enough lawful time?
Excuse me, sir.
Is that enough lawful time?
Excuse me, sir. If you let me speak, I'm going to help you out here. We can adjourn it to November 30th at 8:40 a.m., and that will give you time. How about that?
Your Honor, Mr. Felipe will be in your
Yes, it
courtroom
would.
next week.
Okay, very good. So we'll adjourn it to November
I
30th.
could do November 30th. I could do November 30th. Yes, I could.
November 30th at 8:40
Thank you.
a.m. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And
Thank you, Cheryl.
Thank you.
It is quite clear that this Moorish sovereign citizen is going to lose this case miserably and wind up getting evicted.
Let's